Hey guys, welcome to the course on WordPress development. I am going to be your instructor, Videep Singhal, and I am going to take you over the course in depth, where we will learn from the very first module about what is WordPress and how to use WordPress and how everything varies beyond industries. Then, what we will do is we will proceed to the next module where we will do project based implementation of all the topics. So every module will be divided into a project, and that project will be made so that you can have a reinforced learning about the same. Indeed. We will also look at some of the advanced topics throughout the course, such as headless WordPress, CMS, how to integrate WordPress backend with a different front end, and this is going to make you much better at WordPress, and you will be able to even code during the course using PHP to develop your own custom plugins and custom themes, which is going to be a really interesting part. Over the course of the topic, we will also be learning various methodologies to develop an e-commerce website, a fully functional e-commerce website with WooCommerce and WordPress as well. Now, these websites and these projects will help you learn a lot during the course. And so, at the very end, we will have a capstone project where you will be developing your own portfolio with the help of a website. Then we will be doing peer reviews to understand how everything works and how your website looks. And everyone will be giving constructive feedback, so which is going to be really good. I look forward to seeing you guys throughout the course and being part of the journey as I take you from the very first topic, from a very beginner topic, that is what WordPress is, to being an advanced developer, to someone who can manage large-scale WordPress projects. And as a gift, I will share some of the most important, some of the topics that you guys would want to learn, that is freelancing and project management. Something along my expertise will be added throughout the course, so you can build your own career just after completing this course, and you don't have to take any other course ever again. So see you guys on the other side with the course. Thank you so much.